In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Upwork profile link. Whether you're new to the platform or just can't remember where to find that all-important URL, we've got you covered. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get started. First, you'll need to head to the Upwork homepage. This is your entry point to a world of freelance opportunities and the perfect place to start if you're aiming to share your skills with potential clients or network within the community. For those who might be unfamiliar, Upwork is a popular online platform where freelancers can find jobs and projects offered by businesses and individuals from across the globe. Once you're on the Upwork homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you will find the profile icon. This is your gateway to accessing various settings related to your account and profile. Clicking on this icon gives you a drop-down menu where plenty of options await. It's specifically designed to make navigation super easy. Now, in the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Your Profile. A simple click here will take you straight to your very own Upwork profile page. This is essentially your personal showcase to portray your skills and experience. On this page, potential clients will be able to understand what you bring to the table and why they should hire you. So, having this link handy is crucial when you want to share your professional credentials with others. With your profile page open, you'll now want to locate the Share button. This feature is invaluable when you want to quickly send your profile link to prospective clients or even display it on your social media to demonstrate your professional background. Click this button and you'll be one step closer to having your profile link at your fingertips. Finally, after clicking Share, you'll see an option to copy link. As simple as that sounds, it's the magic button you need. One click here, and your profile link will be copied to your clipboard, ready to be shared wherever you wish, whether it's in an email, a message to a potential client, or even in your professional networks. And that's it. You now know exactly how to find, copy, and share your Upwork profile link with ease. This simple yet essential process will help you expand your networking opportunities and make sure that anyone who needs to see your work can do so at a click of a button. Thanks for watching and happy freelancing.